This How to 1 Minute will show you how to download ChatGPT on iPhone and how to get started. First of all, I'm going to opening my App Store and searching here ChatGPT. And as you can see, currently the ChatGPT software or app isn't available in Apple Store. So currently here is no option to use the ChatGPT app on iPhone, but we can use the ChatGPT in our browser. To do that, open your browser and type here chat.openai.com and make sure to log in into your ChatGPT account here. Then you will be able to use ChatGPT on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.